Okay, this tutorial is regarding refund cancellation policy. Um, you can offer up to 85% with your account. Um, we don't allow you to offer any more than 85% because we are still going to take our commission for booking the rental. So we have 3 breaks here: 30 days plus, 20 days plus, and 10 days plus. After 10 days, there'd be no refund. So in the first field, you can offer up to 85 or less, and it needs to start with a decimal, 0.85. We recommend 0.65 for 20 days plus, and 0.40 for 10 days plus. And it's just as simple as that. You could offer 85% in all of these to give your customers the best break. You could offer 50% if you wanted on all 3. Whatever you decide is your choice. And that's it for refund cancellation. Thank you.